So we are up for an adventure. If you see that scooter is stopped there, look at this place. Absolutely crazy. Wow. And then yes, we have wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. A new day, a new ride, and this time around it's going to be a little monsoonish ride. So check that out. It's been raining crazy last day. The cloud seems to be a little clear now, but I am going to carry all my riding gears, rain gear, especially this one. So this is riding socks, which is a waterproof sock, so I'll be using that. And then yes, my former riding shoes called a jacket, and yes, this one, that is Carbonaro X hydration pack. And now I'm heading off to Ubar. We'll meet NKK Diaries and also Akshit there, and also Madhu. So I'll see you guys once I reach Ubar. So let's start our ride. So we've got Lone Rider from South, NKK Diaries, and then Madhu Kokila. And then today I am riding the RX 100. And let's go for a trail. Let's have a good time. Time for some trail ride. So just had a nice breakfast at Aditya at Ubar. And now we are off to our location. So I was supposed to get Hermes for the ride, but then Hermes had some issues. The bike wasn't starting, so I had to switch to this one. Even RX is fun to ride in trail riding and all of it, so it's going to be a good day. And we were expecting some rains, but luckily it isn't raining. At the same time, the weather is extremely good. So hope this weather continues for the day, and looking forward to some nice good fun. So for this ride particularly, I am wearing a Rhinox H2Go. That's what they call. You can see the image here. The new or the socks which was launched last year by them during monsoon, which is a complete waterproof. That's what they say. But today I'm gonna put that into test and see if that's a complete waterproof or not. So I'm gonna test that particular socks as well. I'm riding, and I'm using my regular Forma adventure shoes. So today it's gonna be a good, nice adventure time. So I'll see you guys once the adventure starts. So I'll see you once we get into the trails. I don't want to bore you guys with this. A
few moments later.
We've just taken a deviation somewhere inside, not too sure where exactly the deviation was. And I think this is where the trail starts, not too sure. And KK is leading us. So we'll go. Wow, check it. Look at this place. Absolutely crazy. Wow. And then yes, we have river crossing as usual. Beautiful. Let's stop here. ఉందా? Check out this place. There's river crossing here again, and wow, there's some good force because of the rain yesterday. There's good water force.
A few moments later.
So we are up for an adventure. If you see that scooter is stopped there, and that's why we're just going to help that person. It just crossed, and here we are. We'll go help that person there. It's kind of around a feet of water here. That's the depth. And yes, deed for the day by Akshit Rai. He rescued that lady. And there we have Akshit Rai. Yes. So deed of the day goes to Akshit Rai for rescuing this lady from getting drowned. And that's the water cross. I think, can we do it on motorcycle? What do you think?
We can do it, but the force of the water is very high.
I think that's okay. That's okay. I think it's moderate. Now that we know.
But if the weight depends on the weight of the bike.
Oh yes.
So literally 1.5 feet.
After a little bit of rescue work by Akshit Rai, we are done. So we wanted to cross this. The only reason we're not crossing is because there's nothing to go there. We'll have to come back again. Instead, NKK suggested let's go and continue our trail. So from here we are continuing. So congratulations, good work. You won 1 point for the day. Deed of the day. So yeah, it's a nice good practice if you were to do a lay ride, because the water is flowing this side and it's about a feet and a half. So this stretch is about a feet, and there it's a little slightly steeper than a feet. Had I got my harness, definitely would have taken harness, but on RX I didn't want to. So let's go. So in fact I wanted to test Rhinox H2Go socks, but then the water level was so high, it just came above the shoe level, and then the water entered from the top of the shoes, and my entire leg got wet. Hence I will not be able to kind of test it, because the water has already come inside from the top and not otherwise. So yes, that way I'm not able to now test it. Nonetheless, a good experience. The whole idea was to kind of go rescue that person who was stuck there, so which we've done. So I'm happy about that. So we've done our bit of work. So now back to highway and off to our next location. Because it's rained the last couple of days, there's good water force coming in from that place. So and we had to cut through the water. In fact, if we had to cross, if we had to go that direction, we would have definitely cut through it and gone to the other end of the road. But then, well, that wasn't the plan, hence we didn't go to cut through it. It would have been a good adventurous river crossing though, if we had to do it. And now off to another place where there's a hanging bridge, so we're going towards that now. And apparently what NKK says is you can ride on that hanging bridge, so let's go check that out, and I'll see you once I reach my next location. Bridge, and here's another speed breaker. We go forward. Let's take